Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a MCM unboxing video. I found it on sale. If that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, when I saw this on sale, I was super excited. I did pick this up from the MCM website. I have seen it available at Bloomingdale's for the same sale price, and let's see what I picked up. All right, so here it is, guys. I was thrilled by the sale price. I had been looking at this. I wasn't sure if I was willing to pay full price, but I saved a couple $100, and let's see if it was worth it. What do we think? I'm a little bit excited. This is prettier in person than on the website. Is the most beautiful sort of oatmeal color, and this is the Ella Boston Bag in the monogram print called Lauretos, and it is so pretty. So definitely shaped very similar to the Louis Vuitton Speedy B. I want to say this is closer to a 30 in size. Well, so this looks to me very similar to the size of a Speedy B 30. We'll compare it to a 25 because that's what I have. I think it's bigger. We'll see in a second. So the dimensions of this beautiful Ella Boston bag, 12.6 inches in the width of this bag, 7.9 inches in the height, almost 8 inches. So good size bag here. And then the width of this bag is going to be 6.7. So good size width as well. Beautiful genuine leather here. This feels amazing and will protect the bottom of your bag. This is the natural Napa leather that MCM uses. As you can see, it is stunning. So it does have this beautiful sort of removable tag, which I plan on leaving there. Look at that beautiful sort of antique gold embossed MCM logo there. And then you'll see it again here in the white. It looks so crisp and clean, not overdone, super subtle, super beautiful. The handles are like butter, you guys, so pretty. So this has the pretty leather zipper pull, and it is a double zipper, which I love. Then on this side, it's just the gorgeous monogram print in the Lauretos, and it has this sort of oatmeal tan color to the bag. Beautiful. Look at that intricacy when it comes to the monogram print. It is beautiful, you guys. Then on this side, you just have your little tab, easy to grab onto to kind of steady your bag as you zip it, which I love. And let's go ahead and see what's inside the bag. Let's check out this zipper. Smooth like butter. Love it. All right. Ooh, look at that. Packaged beautifully by MCM. Thank you, MCM, for properly packaging your luxury bags. Love it. It is the entire experience that I purchased, including how it's packaged and presented to me for the first time. It just makes the whole experience of purchasing a bag so much better. We get into the inside of this bag. If you're enjoying this video, please go ahead and like, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe so that I can see you in future videos. Let's keep going. So first, let's see. Okay, so we have a size large MCM dust bag. Love that, especially because when it's not in season, you can always store it properly. So next I have the strap. I can that kind of matte gold. It's really pretty. And then a gorgeous genuine leather strap. I love the thickness of this strap. Not too thin, not too thick, just right. All right, let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So clearly you can see MCM embossed here in this beautiful sort of bucket style adjuster. And I love that. So easily this could be a crossbody bag when you are out and about for the day, walking everywhere, taking your kids to all the things, and you just need a break. it is so nice to have this kind of thicker, sturdy, soft leather bag or shoulder bag that can be adjusted and easily worn as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. I love that. Now, I'm personally a top handle girl, but I love to have all the options. That to me is what makes a quality, well thought out luxury handbag. All right, so originally this bag retails for $850. I picked it up from the MCM website for $616. I also saw it at Bloomingdale's for the same price point. So if you're interested in this bag, get it while it's on sale. It's gorgeous, you guys. And I am so here for it. All right, let's continue digging. What is amazing about this interior? When I first look at it, it looks like it already has a bag organizer in that. Do you see that? That's what it looks like. It looks like I already have a organizer in here. I love that. So it has a really nice soft suede feel to it, super soft. It has this really nice interior pocket right here. And then on this side, you have a nice zipper pocket, which has a smooth zipper. Love that. And then here you have, let's see if you can see it. You have embossed there the MCM logo. This bag is stunning, you guys. I am so excited I got it when I did. All right, I'm going to show what fits inside this bag, and I'm also going to do some mod shots so you can see what it looks like on. I'll also show you what it looks like next to the Speedy Bee 25. So before I start filling all my items into this gorgeous bag, I just want to show you the size differential. So here we have the Speedy 25. This is the demier, a bean print, one of my favorite bags. Love this so much. And it is definitely bigger than the Speedy Bee 25. I want to say in the width, probably a good 2 inches bigger. So just for reference. And then the height of the bag doesn't seem too severe. Although, I mean, I'm wrong. Yes, it's probably a good inch above, if not 2. And then you can see here just the size differential. Bag is a little bit taller and a little bit wider. So I would definitely, I don't own a Speedy Bee 30. This is the 25, but I would say that this is probably very similar in size to the 30. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I am here for it. This is definitely one I am going to start wearing immediately. And let's go ahead and put all of my items in here so that next time I leave the house, I am good to go. Hey guys, so I am curious as to whether or not it's gonna fit all the things. One of the things I noticed right away is just how large the opening it is. It's probably because it is closer to the 30 size that you can have a little bit more indented zip here to give you a little bit more of a wide opening, but it seems very spacious in here, easy to see everything. I don't think I'll use an organizer. The only reason I ever would use an organizer with a bag this structured is really just to protect it. I keep my bags and I use them for years to come. So I don't sell my bags. And so because I keep them for such a long time, I really want to take good care of them. So that might be a reason I get an organizer, but it does not need one. So I'm going to start with putting my planner in here. This is one of those things that I do my to-do lists. I write ideas in, and that seamlessly fits in there. Love that so much. Next, I'm going to add my journal, and this is so beautiful. I just love the look of that. That fits in there as well. So my latest book here is The Four Winds by Kristen Hanna, and she's really good. If you haven't read her, you're going to want to do that this summer. Find time. And then here is my little planner. I use my phone a lot of times, but it is nice to be able to see it. I'm kind of old school in that sense. So next, I'm going to add my little pencil case. This is for, journaling or adding anything to my calendar. And I also have a book light in here because you just never know if I'm in the car and my husband's driving somewhere and my kids are asleep, it's nice to have a book light. All right, so next I'm gonna take my Dior makeup bag with me, and it has just my touch-up powder from when I'm out and about by Gucci. I also have a really pretty little Coach mirror I picked up from the Coach outlet a few years ago. And then I have a Dior lipstick, a Dior lip gloss. This one is so good, you guys. It makes your lips look absolutely divine. And then I also have a lip glow. This is the Dior lip glow. So there we have those little goodies, and I just love this Dior pouch. So I'm gonna add that to the bag as well. I cannot leave home without my Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet in the monogram print. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my gorgeous bag. I am so excited, you guys. Can you tell? I just love this so, so much. I'm also gonna add my Burberry sunglass case to this bag. And that should do it for me. What do you guys think? There's still loads of room. I mean, obviously, you don't want to overfill the bag because you're just going to make it super heavy for yourself. I mean, it fits all the things, and there is clearly more room for more if you want to do that. So, gosh, that's beautiful, you guys. I'm so excited. All right, let's do... Oh, I really like that. I really like that. Okay, let's do a do-over. That was nice. Okay, so it's really nice that you can hold on to that. With a bag this size, what's gonna happen when you start to pull is the whole bag's just gonna go flying. So having this secure piece of leather right there to hold on to is game changer in my opinion. Gosh, this bag is beautiful, you guys. What do you think? Do you love it? Let me know down in the comments below. All right, let's check out some mod shots. First, I've got to say I'm a huge top handle kind of girl. This is primarily how I'm going to carry this bag, and I absolutely love it. Now, I will say I've weighed it down with some books and things. Obviously, if I were gonna go, I was gonna be walking around all day, and I knew that I would take out some of this stuff just to lighten my load. But this, you guys, what do you think? I think it's stunning. It is so beautiful. I just feel like you could wear this with jeans and a t-shirt and look super chic and elegant, but then you can dress it up for work with, like I have on some slacks and a little summer shirt. I don't know. I think it is so beautiful. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let's check it out with that strap and see what it looks like, how it looks like crossbody as well as on the shoulder. I'm in love, you guys. Okay, so as you can see, this shoulder strap is beautiful. So like has a nice sort of thickness to the bag. It's definitely buttery soft, super comfy on the arm. I love this bag, you guys. Love it so much. All right, let's see what that looks like as a crossbody. I did adjust the strap since the strap is, you can see it there, it is adjustable, and I could have swapped it to have the strap here if I wanted. I just feel like it's a little more comfortable back there and it looks a little more seamless on my outfit, but you do you. If you like the buckle, it adds a little something, then you can just change the strap to have the buckle here. It is so beautiful. I feel like it's a really nice variation of length for this strap. So the strap length is actually 34.4 inches and it can go all the way to 42.7 inches. So super nice adjustable leather strap for you. And then handle drop is 3.9 inches. And like I said, I am smitten with this bag. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. And thank you so much for being here and watching my videos. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe so I can see you next time. Bye guys.